Let's get accessible. I'll walk you through manual installation of the UserWay widget on your Magento store. As usual, the first thing you need to do is register your site at userway.org at the top right of the UserWay homepage. Complete all the listed steps until you get your unique code snippet. You can find a detailed tutorial on how to get your unique code snippet here. Copy your code snippet to your clipboard or save it to a text file. It's just text. We've also sent you a welcome email with this code. If you have already registered for a previous site, you can add your new site to your list and you will use the same code. For a walkthrough, go here. If you like, you can sign in to your UserWay dashboard at userway.org. Go to the top right menu, find My Embed script and copy the script or code that you'll find there. This script is actually your unique code. If you have any issues finding your sign-in, you'll find the sign-in credentials in the welcome email as well. Grab your unique code snippet and let's go. I will see you in Magento. I'm in the Magento dashboard. I'll show you where to paste your code. On the left menu, scroll down a bit, go to Content, and then Configuration. In the resulting page, under Design Configuration, among the records, identify your main website store that you'd like to edit now, and click on the Edit text link on the right. In the resulting page, scroll way down until you find the Other Settings accordion menu. Open Footer Settings. And in the first text field in Miscellaneous HTML, paste your code. Click on the Save Configuration button at the top right of the page. Now go back to the left menu, scroll down and click on System. In the submenu under Tools, click Cache Management. In the resulting page, move all the way to the top right and click on Flush Magento Cache. You're all set! Now go ahead and publish your Magento store to make sure your UserWay widget is installed and working correctly. At this point, if you like to customize your widget options, you can choose to sign in either directly through your widget or you can go to manage.userway.org and check your dashboard there. All your widget customization options are available in either place. You may also want to consider the more robust UserWay Pro widget. For more extensive accessibility and compliance options, upgrade via the link in the description below this video.